Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor while I was at IRS, and I get asked various questions, and I make some of these YouTubes based on questions that you ask me. I worked at IRS a decade. I've written a book. I'm not selling a book. I'm not like one of those just exposing IRS settlements. It is a bestseller, but anyway, so when I was a revenue officer, I would threaten to seize someone's house to pay the tax. And I just got a call. I got a call probably no more than 15 minutes ago from a person who was in Virginia. And he said, hey, IRS guy's on furlough. He said he wants me to sell my house to pay the tax off. Well, every situation is different. The person owes about $350,000. Person has $450,000 equity. So great question. So can IRS force you to seize your house? Fact pattern. This house is owned jointly with his wife, and only this person owes the tax. So, can IRS force you to sell? Well, they could actually try to go ahead and foreclose if there's a federal tax lien on the husband's portion, and they could try to put that other half up for sale at a public auction, which means that they could try to sell that half interest in that property if the husband didn't want to do that. Well, we took offense to that. We're taking offense to IRS doing that at all. The person's case right now, the guy's just getting by, and the problem is I know IRS wants that money, but the wife isn't going to go along with it. So we're going to have them sign a non-conflict of interest clause. We're going to represent the wife, and we're going to tell IRS, you're not going to sell that piece of property because they can't. That's their home. That's their homestead. And chances are you're not going to have a judge sign off on something like that when the people are really just getting by. So can IRS try to make you? Can they kind of jerk your chain? Yeah, certainly. IRS can do anything they want, but now with the new administration and things getting tighter, I don't think you're going to see IRS doing a lot. When I was there, we did it every single day, but right now all the rules have changed. So if you have equity in your property, the answer is yes. IRS can ask you to put the house up for sale, but you can always tell them you can't put the house up for sale because the other person does not allow you. And by the way, don't try transferring the house out of your name. That stuff doesn't work. If you need representation, I'd probably be a good person to call. Thank you so much. And now you have the inside scoop. Thank you.